Markertek is here to help you take your project to the next level. Are you ready? Coming up next. Welcome back. Did you know that Markertek offers specialized sales and services? Not only is Markertek your source for thousands of off-the-shelf, ready-to-go solutions, but we're also here to help you with the biggest of projects with our dedicated account representatives. Whether you're going all wireless in your worship space, outfitting your broadcast field crew with new streaming capabilities, or running fiber across campus, we have the skills to get you there. Pre, post, and throughout the job, your account rep is here to help make your build a success. Check out specialized sales from Markertek and get the service and pricing that you deserve. Find out more at markertek.com/specialized sales. That's all the time we have for you today. I'm Byron Frayne. We'll see you the next time on the Markertek Minute.